To the sweet farm.
Right, so the sweet family, you know what I mean? Original, you understand?
To the face and hear the voice, you don't know Lisa Ipa. Me represent the Sweet Farm. So subscribe to them YouTube channel right now. Right now.
Sweet squad. We had to divert from our original plans to go to the beach. When we got to the beach that was close to us, a beer, garbage and plastic bottles in the water. The blue water looked turned brown to how dirty it is. So we just take a diversion to Castleton. So we're going to scour down our pot. So stay tuned guys while we move on to that. Yes sir, good morning. I just want to go down by the river, we need to prepare something. Alright, each? Okay.
Yes, Sweet Squad, so we have to pay a contribution.
We have to pay a contribution to use the river. This way to come in.
Alright.
Hello, good morning. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, no problem.
Alright. Pay your contribution and sign with paper.
So now we're going straight to the security, you know.
Yeah, so them get straight down here, sir.
Yeah.
Hey, sir, what's in that pot?
Cocktail.
Wait, what is that, sir?
Cocktail.
Cocktail?
Cocktail,
I think I don't have a bold restaurant you're talking about cocktail.
So guys, when we were driving by, we noticed that the river pretty much dry up. So hopefully we catch a little trickle. Scour the pot quickly. And boogie. Well, the water running, but it's
shallow.
Yeah.
Normally the water you high can swim in a water dry, you know.
My. The drought is on in Jamaica.
The drought is definitely on in Jamaica.
Alright.
Yeah man, at them big stone you may watch myself. Yes.
Oh, that's cool.
Alright.
Walk across. Take off the slippers. See this cold water now.
Yo, this supposed to freeze.
No, not so bad.
Cool. I mean, I trust your judgment today because we have two different. Oh Lord, this is cold. Ouch.
You need help?
The water cold, man. But guys, normally when I'm stepping in this water, that's your pot, man.
That's your damn pot of food, brother.
All I food, all I cocktail, that's my youth.
You leave the slippers right there, so.
Yeah.
Oh Lord.
Normally when we step in the water out here, it would have reached with like to a waist or something like that. But this time, yeah, it's just a bit of water started. Drought is definitely on.
Just a
Them
little
place there,
ticky.
the stone them would have been covering up. Gee.
So deep, you know. Yes, guys. So let's cover our pot now. Alright, we're at the top or the bottom.
Alright, let me see how good you can work, you know. So Richard that gave him this spot and he think it's very well, it's sentimental, very I tell him the things, you know,
Yeah, so this spot, I grew up eating from this spot, and now my dad passed it on to me, and I'm going to restore it to its days of former glory
oh Lord.
in the Sweet Farm's kitchen. So I'm going to take it back to England with me, but just going to use the river water and our famous steel wool and see how best I can score it down.
With
So,
some sun.
are you son as well?
Well, I think so. Maybe the roughness, the extra roughness would have helped. I don't know. You're the one gonna scour your pot. So you
So
can
let's
see.
catch some water in it first and foremost. Right? Squeeze a little bit of the pal. We just look for action. I couldn't find the action. So I'm gonna do the inside first. Let me come over in the sun here. That one?
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Come over in the sun here. I'll start scoring him from the inside. I know that these little bits here are going to be the tricky part, but yeah.
You ever cook a river yet?
Never. Never ever cook at the river before. No. Well, I eat river cooking already, but I wasn't the one
Cooking it.
yeah, but I've definitely take part in them things. You?
No, I never cook at the river yet. So maybe when we come back next time we can do some cooking at the river.
Yeah, that would be a good one. So I can see improvement on the inside already.
Can see improvement. Let's see. You say you can see improvements.
Yeah.
Alright. Looks like enough work left to done, man. So go and scour and then we check in back when we see a lot more improvements.
Okay, you don't see any as yet.
I said a lot more. I see some, man. I see some improvement. Yeah.
Alright, the sun is too hot there, so I'm going to go back
Yeah,
over
the
the
sun
shade
hot.
here. The sun is taking most of my energy. It's not normal heat, guys, I'm telling you. Not normal at all. My brain I tell me say me young same way, but I'm plan to jump on the stone and jump on the one there, me say. Ball of clock. Run back, guys. Try again. Alright, catch my balance now. Alright, so you're gonna be my assistant, right? Alright.
See up there? Normally it's green and lush. And look at how dry it is this drought.
So we're cooking this pot.
Okay?
What's the first thing we're going to break it in with?
I'm not sure. What do you want to cook?
Maybe some rice and peas.
Yeah,
Or the pumpkin rice.
the rice and peas good. Nice. Right spot.
Mm.
Yeah. Nice and deep. And thick.
Mhm.
Alright guys, we'll check in again in a bit. Well people, we don't have much time, so I'm gonna give my hand with a patty now and see if we can try work it a little faster. Because we ain't got much time to spend here. Alright people, I'm gonna try a different technique. Seeing? I may have a little sun right here, so go try rub it off with the sun and see if it helps. The steel they're not good enough.
It's not good down, it feels
It's
flimsy
too
here.
thin, it's not good at all. Maybe them only for black you know, go come off, you know. You know. So come still come, I can see.
You see the difference. When you do it, you actually see the difference. Other than if you watch.
So I use some of the sand them like to get the roughness because the steel they're not good.
Don't deserve to name steel at all. We actually fly back to England today, guys, so we don't have a lot of time to spend doing this.
It's not good at all, it's so thin.
And the green one here probably worse. You need like a steel brush.
Go wash it off and see if that make a difference.
If not, we just call it a day.
Yeah, coming off my energy for wash off this apathy right now at all.
You can see the difference too.
You can see the difference?
Yes.
Right here, so.
Yeah.
So rub it look a bit better. I don't know if your saw will come off because it's hard.
No.
It takes a lot of energy. Tired already.
Yeah, I'm gonna get back to it now.
I get a little more rub because let's see again.
Okay, so it's dirt, right? The sun.
Well, yeah. Just to get that's something a good one. But it's too soft.
Can't see the difference though.
It will cost me all my fingernail them to blow.
That way, that way.
Wash that off, let me see. Now come.
Oh, you can see the difference.
Put enough pressure on it.
Yeah, I think we can make it easier. We'll go back to buy a steel brush and we'll do it.
Yeah, it'll take too much of my
This will
energy.
take too much time and we have a lot of things to do today. So, mission number 2.
Not fully accomplished.
No.
Not too much work.
Yeah.
Too much work and energy, man. Jesus. Need a drink now.
There's a bar up the top there.
Yeah.
So I'm going to buy a steel brush when I get back, guys, and see if we can do a better job. So just stay tuned. I will
And
definitely,
in the future, we show another pot here.
one day in the future,
Ah,
we
tired.
will show you the pot when it's done.
Water feel nice though.
Where is the cover?
Oh, it's gone downstream.
Oh,
Ay. Guys, normally you come right here,
water
water
out
would
by
be
your
up here,
waist.
and
Yeah.
look how low it is now. This drought is taking a toll of Jamaica, man.
You can see that fish there. Yeah, fat one too.
Hey, pan fry him now.
Cook him in the pot, yeah. Guys, we try to deal with the pot. Never really work out, so plan to get a steel, like a metal brush, and scour it off as best as possible. So the pot won, we nil. 1-0 to the pot. But it's not over as yet. Still going to try and restore it to perfection. So we'll catch liver now. What's up?
Now look if it's like some tadpoles.
Oh, you saw some?
I think they look like it, yeah, but I don't know if a tree branch.
Alright.
But they're not moving, so would that be, I don't think it is. Nah. There was something there, but I don't know.
Yeah, tadpole.
Wouldn't they be moving?
I don't think it's tadpole. It look like some snail.
Snail?
Yeah, shell up on it.
Ew.
Ah. Once you get in the water, it's not too bad.
Yeah, for real, I get used to it because I feel like I take a dip, but I can't be bothered to wet up myself.
I agree. So the pot beat us at the moment.
Yeah, the pot scouring was a failure.
Yeah, because
Time is against us.
time against us and the steel wool that we
But
choose is not the best of
yeah, it's soft, man.
quality. So we're making our way back. But you will definitely get the follow-up when the pot's sparkling.
Breeze is so cool.
Yeah. Yes, sweet squad. So we never get to finish scoring our pot. We made some improvement to it, but it was slow progress. So we don't have the time for that today because we're actually traveling back to the UK. So when we get back, we'll sort it out and you'll see part 2 of the pot scoring. So guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and if you like a video,
Like the
the
video.
So this is the Sweet Farm, guys. Checking out. Stay blessed.